Awesome, my friends. So you've decided to click through, taking the leap to access my free ebook giveaway. Now, before you actually access the ebook, I want to offer you a very special cool bonus valued at nearly $100. And simply is, if you decide to click the button below and access my book via Amazon and leave me a review on Amazon, just leave me a quick review on Amazon. Access the book via Amazon, leave me a quick review. And what I will give you is a custom made built trend changing indicator that I've built and programmed myself for MT4. There is a TradeStation version also. You just have to email me which one you want, TradeStation or MT4. And you can see this is it here. It's built to change color when there is a change in direction. And as you will learn, it's a very cool tool to use once you read the ebook, because you'll be able to detect the change in trend direction. See, we've broke a trend line here on the Aussie dollar, and it starts to go red and goes down, which means we could be heading south. See, on the Aussie here also, we were heading down, broke the trend line, comes back down, goes green, then we head up. So it's a pretty cool indicator to get. And we have the trend line, breaks the trend line, goes green, we go up. Dun. Breaks the trend line, still going green, goes red, goes back up, doesn't go higher, then goes red, and down we go. So it's a pretty cool indicator for detecting a change in direction. And you can use whatever way you want. We've had a long sloping move on the British pound USD here. It's going down, breaks the trend line, goes green, and then goes up. Again here we've broke it, going up, broke the trend line, now it's going down. So again, you can program and you can build a strategy whatever way you want using this indicator. It's very cool. It's very accurate when it's changing. Trend is changing, as you can see, and you will see. There we go on the euro. We've been going up on the daily charts. The higher time frame charts are better with this. You can also scalp with it on the smaller time frame. This is a 1 minute chart. So, but you can use it whatever way you want. Just test and program it and build a strategy whatever way you want using it. So that's it, guys. All you have to do is simply click the link below. It says access through Amazon. Leave me a review. Email me at will@xaus.com with just your Amazon receipt and your name, and I'll check the review, etc. I'll check the receipt, and then I'll email you over the indicator. Just let me know when you're emailing me, just if you want the TradeStation version or the MT4 version. If you decide not to access through Amazon, just click the second button below. And I hope you thoroughly enjoy going through the ebook. And yeah, so that's it, guys. If you want to access this powerful trend changing indicator, simply click the purchase through Amazon button now. Alternatively, just click the second button, and that's it. Yeah, so looking forward to helping you trade Forex in the future. Well, over to fxaus.com.